Okay, good morning dear. Day 5 part 1. Today is the last topic of the number system and it is the power, index, exponent and topic is and surds. Clear? Then here suppose here a to the power b. Then a is called the base. Clear? And b is called the power, index or exponent, which and it will be read a to the power b or a index, b or a exponent b. Clear? Which you easy, which you feel convenient. Clear? And then after surds. Surds means it is this symbol is called the surd. This symbol is called the surds, and the surds convert in the exponential form. We discuss in the same class. Now here a to the power m. Here a is the base and m is the power into a to the power n into a to the power p. Clear? What you see here, all the base are equal but power are different. Then it will be a to the power m plus n plus p. Clear? Again see. Here a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p. Clear? You see all the base are equal but power are different and they are multiplied. Then it will be a to the power m plus n plus p. Clear? Suppose in the question 2 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 2 into 16 to the power 5. Then what is their exponential form? Then first of all, see here 2 is the prime number except all are the composite number. Then first of all you can convert in the prime form. Then it is 2 to the power 3 into 4. 4 are written 2 into 2 to the power 2. Clear? In the same way, here 8 is written 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 2, and here 16 are written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 5. Clear? And if you break the bracket, then it is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Then here 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power, suppose here power is 4 because it will be separate, power 4. Then it will be 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. Clear? And then after 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5. Clear? Then here you see all the base are 2. Then it will be written 2 and added all the power. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Clear? Then after 2, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 for 11, 11 for 15, 15 for 19, 19 and it is 20. Total 49. 29 and 20, 49. Then 2 to the power 49 is our answer. Clear? Suppose in the denominator, then the formula is this and it's their application. It means if the base are same and power are different and they are multiplied, then we can add the powers. Then after 2 to the power, second one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. It means it is in the division. If base are same and power are different and they are divided, then it will be written a to the power m minus n. See, 3 to the power 5 is divided by 3 to the power 2. Here, then it will be written 3 to the power 5 minus 2 and it will be 3 to the power 3. Here, then if base are same, power are different and they are divided, then we can subtract their powers like this. Suppose in the question here a to the power m third one a to the power m to the power n to the power p to the power q. It is called the successive power. What? Successive power, or it is called power of power. Power of power. Clear? In this case, we can multiply their powers. Like it will be written a to the power m into n into p into q, or it is a to the power m n p q. See with the example. Here 3 to the power 5, 9 to the power 2, 27 to the power 3. Here, then here 3 to the power 5, 3 is the prime number, 9 is the composite number, then this 9 is written 3 square, 3 square means 9 and to the power 2, and here 27 is written 3 to the power 3 and to the power 3. Clear? Then here 3 to the power 5, power of power, it means it is the successive power, then 2 2s are 4 and here 3 3s are 9. Then it is all the base are same, then 5 and they are multiplied 4 and plus 9, then it is 3 to the power 18, our answer. Suppose here 2 to the power 3 to the power 5 to the power 6 to the power 7. Clear? Then it will be written 2 3 5 ja 15, 15 6 ja 90 and 97 ja 630. Then it is 2 to the power 630 is answer of this question. Clear? It means if in the case of successive powers, then we multiply their power like this way. Clear? Then after suppose if it is a to the power m, clear? Then it will be written 1 upon a to the power minus m. It means it is the numerator. Clear? And if it comes in the denominator, then sign of the power will be changed. Clear? Suppose 1 upon 2 to the power 2 to the power 5, and if it comes in the denominator like by this way. Clear? And suppose a